guys, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a unboxing, unwrapping, and haul. Online na naman guys. So, addicted, lola nyo. So, come on join me as I review. So this one is from Lazada, which is, I got this from their flash deals. Yeah, tagal ko lang hindi nakaka-order sa Lazada, mga ilang taon na. 2 or 3 years. So ngayon lang ulit na ulit. At sa flash deal pa talaga. Nagkuripot. Kuripot, walang budget guys. So ito ay, tadaan! Isa siyang antipara. Gagos. Peculiar and odd. Araw na, diba? So siya, may pakit siya. And then pang, panlampaso. Ito siya, pangarap ko maging, Miss Minchin or Harry Potter. Ano ba talaga? Ay. Siya. Namin sa mall, wala kami makita. Meron kami nakikita, medyo maliit dito. And pagka mahal-mahal, 500. Ito sa flash deal is, ano ba sa ito? 198. 198 kasama na ang shipping fee. Let's try it! Woo! Diba? Bagay ba guys? Pangarap ko kasi maging kasing bilog ng panda yung mata ko. Pinabagay ko sa napakalaki ng eyes. You know what guys? Actually, hindi na kayo yung audience ko. Meron ako live audience here. Marami. Tatlo sila. Ayun. At sila yung nakikisama. Ewan ko kung nahihiya silang marinig yung voice over nila. Or sila yung nahihiya para sa pinagagawa ko. Guys, gusto niyo pa makita sa camera? Kasi sila yung fight. Oh, yung kita talaga nito. Masarap siya sa mata. Sakto. Tabing nito pa sa bilog. May black yung pinili ko para kahit sa anong pautin natin. Bagay. Meron itong gold and silver. This is good for anti-radiation and multi-coated. Good for gadget, gear. For masarap siya sa mata. 198 only. Kasama na shipping fee. So, yan na guys. And then this one, ito yung kay Aurora. So, sila si Aurora. Yung nag-box natin nakaraan. Diba? Si Aurora 8XO. Ito yung isang audience. Live audience. Ito pa yung isa ko. Customer. Actually, nandito po ako sa karinderya ng masa. Masa lang si Raymond ko. Cute. Yan po mga tropang Pasig City. This is so cool. Wow. So, I'm using my Asus phone today because 8X is low but still charging. Yeah. And wala tayong lightning because wala tayo sa ating headquarters. Dito ako sa Pasig City. We are shooting sa Rizal. And you know this one? This is really addicting eh. Diba? Ninyo. Marami ang naloloko dito. Yan. Guys, may nalagyan sa aking audience, ang aking magandang niece, kaya to. So, panoorin niyo yung video niya na in-upload ko, yung video niya ng travel niya sa Hong Kong. Siya yun.
Hi guys!
Wala pa siya ba?
Hello vlog! Nag-drawing pa ako eh! Oh,
Pretty cute little niece. She'll be sharing to Andra the gifts. Mga gifts niya na na-receive from her Christmas party.
I'm vlog. I want to show you my gift.
So, okay. So, which one will open first?
I like to open this.
Okay, this one. This one is from Rick Owen. Say thank you to Rick Owen.
Thank you, Don.
So,
Yeah. So, me too.
me too. We have another guest here. Hi, say hi to vlog. Hi, vlog.
Sorry, my sister's
Oh, faster. You open it faster.
cannot open it. Oh, I can open it. Hey, what are you doing?
Bagay. So yun guys, nung bata pa ako, nung Christmas party ganyan, hindi na naman ganyan karami. Pero ito parang hindi nawawala sa generasyon. Niregalo pa rin ngayon ng pretzels.
Wow, walk away. It's ready.
Wow, show me the camera here. Wow, I like it.
I like it.
Ayoko to. So guys, receive siya ng sling bag na Minnie Mouse. Wow. So that is worth 200 pesos may price pa. So generous of you, Rick Owen. This is from mom. Exchange gift. Worth 200. Worth it. Oh, this one is from Cheska. So you can see Cheska.
Thank you, Cheska.
Okay.
Here.
May sinasabi ka?
Oh. Just wait. Oh. And you. Heaven. Thanks, Cheska.
Thanks, Pink Headband with ribbon. Yay! So, dry on ng tita. Oh, wow, bagay sa akin.
From Zayna.
This one is from
Zayna.
Zayna.
Thanks, Zayna.
Second emotion. So, ayun. Habang nagbubukas siya, this one.
Wow! Thank you, Zayna.
Unicorn. Wow, ang saya-saya. Bagay ulit sa tita.
From?
I don't know.
This one is from Jacob.
Thank you, Zayna.
So, habang nagbabalat pa siya, guys. This one is from Alexi. Vivo, alam na natin. Chocolates. So sweet of you.
Thanks.
Ay, natin.
She got Hello Kitty. No, pagod pen. Yay. And this one, alam na natin to. This is from Adrian. So, pretzel chocolate. So sweet of you too. Say hello.
Hello. Thank you, Adrian.
And this one is from your teacher, Luis.
Wait, hindi pa. Ay,
So this is from teacher Luis.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you, Teacher Laris.
So ayun guys, yung mga na-receive yung gifts from school.
And it's for my sister. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. Christmas party sa school is so fun. Kids love it.
And all of my classmates is like our Christmas card.
Yeah, they like Christmas parties. Christmas parties are for kids.
And for us.
So thank you for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching our video.
Yay.
We have 2 videos already. Subscribe.
Okay, I'm back. So we are interrupted kasi nalobat na si Asus. So full charge na si 8X and we're using it now. So ayun, open na natin to. Actually, para kay 8X tong accessory na to. I ordered where? Shopee. Sa Shopee. Ayan, mula ngayong magtali tayo ba ni Shopee? Nagagastos naman tayo sa kanya. Ayan, S. Shopee button. Ayun yung na-open. Dun. Oh, yan, social. Naka-styro box siya.
Solid.
Oh.
Yamanin.
Oh. Ship siya from overseas, so medyo matagal. So, inabot siya ng ilang days?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yeah.
Okay.
Open surprise. Sabi ng bulilit yung pamangkin. Ano siya siya? 1,
Kapag ka.
2. So, this is what I'm expecting. 3. So, we have 3 colors. Tatlo siya. Tatlo yung case niya.
3 colors.
And you know what? Yung presyo nitong tatlong to, doon sa kabilang shopping online is isa lang. So, kay Shopee tatlo na siya. Diba? Mas mura kay Shopee, guys. Oh, nakaganyan pa siya. Walang bubble wrap pero naka-styro. Iba din. Iba siya. Iba. Ang saya. Oh, may bago ng case si Aurora. Dadan. This flash yan, guys. So, pag nabasag, masasaktan tayo pero okay lang kasi mura lang. Para tayo nakakuha ng buy 2, take 1.
Or buy 1, take 2.
So, sa kabilang online shopping, buy 1, just 1. Ay! Ang saya! Ay, so araw-araw magpapili tayo ng case.
Sure.
Yay! So, hindi ko na-try on kay Aurora kasi ginagamit natin siya. So, mamaya na lang siguro. Papagabuhay na si Asus para makita natin mag-pick tayo kay Aurora. Okay? Saya. Sulit guys.
Sa'yo mo, ha?
Saya na naman. Paya na naman. Pera na. Wala nang pera. Bumili sa cellphone, bumili ng case.
Benta na yan.
Benta na. So that's it for today, guys. So thank you for watching. And if you're watching and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribers button there and kindly hit the notification bell as well. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video and kindly share if you don't mind. And see you all again on my next video. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.